welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making a fidget toy. So the things we're going to need are a sock, marbles, and some rubber bands. Okay.
We have a YouTube channel.
Whoops. So first, sorry about the noise. So first we're going to get our sock and put the marbles in. Mariel, put the marbles in. Agarra todos. Oops, I have it. Almost full. 3 more. Wait, yes. 3 more.
Hello, I have the marble.
Okay. So now we just can spin it and get our rubber bands. So we put it like this, like in a little knot, but not really in a knot. And then with 2 rubber bands at the same time.
Guys,
With 2 rubber bands at the same time, you do it, and there you go. You have a homemade marble ball. And it's really good, like for your, like when you're on online classes, like now, in online classes, you can make this. And if you guys don't have like marbles, you guys can use rice, or like, you guys could use rice, beans, so small, like these. You can use like these, charms, or anything. But I used marbles because I didn't have a lot of these. So, whoa! So, bye guys! So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click on that post notification button. See you next time. Peace.